What's going on, guys? Guess what I did? Another retrofit. And guess what this one's for? Another Pathfinder. This is, I don't know, I think my fourth or my fifth Pathfinder build. Probably my favorite one, to be honest with you. This one has the Morimoto Mini D2S projector retrofit, along with the Apollo 2.0 shrouds, the flat version, as well as a 9-inch profile pivot switchback strip and an 80mm profile pivot halo. Those are running light white, as well as a switchback function of amber for the turn signal. And I shall demonstrate that for you right now. Where is that? Here? There we go. Wow. They are silly bright. If I get up on this, you know, the camera will adjust accordingly so you can see the beauty. I really like the strip application here because it's just kind of subtle. It's a nice little line at the bottom. Oftentimes, if you try and just jam a switchback strip into a headlight that doesn't really quite aesthetically match the styling of a straight line, it doesn't look very good. But this one I think came out great. Let me turn on the blinkers for you. Pretty cool. Yeah, I think the client's going to be super happy with this one. This is a repeat client now. This is the third set of headlights he's bought off of me. So that's really cool. That makes me feel good that people like me enough that they keep coming back. You'd think of headlights as kind of a one-time purchase, but honestly, if you don't screw them up, when people get new cars, they like for you to get new headlights. And I am there to facilitate. Let's see, if you want to see what these things look like, just solid amber. There you go. Because that's what actually I think he's going to want to do, is he wants to running light amber these guys. And the amber just looks so cool on these. Big fan. Alright, that's all. See you later, guys. Have a wonderful day.
See ya.